Welcome back to American Idol and your live results show. I've got good news in my hand for either Gabby or Amanda. One of them is about to sing in celebration and take the final spot in the victory zone as a member of the top 14, which means the other person will have to sing for survival. Let's see what you at home have decided. Good luck to both of you. Thanks for your patience tonight. After the nationwide vote, the last person to automatically have a place in the top 14 is Gabby Samone. Which means Amanda will sing for survival in just a minute, but you get to sing in celebration. Congratulations. How are the nerves?
The nerves are they're
everywhere.
Up there. They're everywhere.
All right, get set. Nobody is raining on her parade today. She is in the top 14, singing in celebration with the Barbra Streisand classic. After your vote, it's Gabby Samone.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and put up. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. And I'll march my band down, and I'll beat my drum. And if I'm fanned out, you'll turn at that side. At least I didn't fake it, had side. I guess I didn't make it, but whether I'm the rose of sheer perfection, the freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or shiny apple of its eye, I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clank. Eye on the target and wham! Hey, Mr. Ornstein, here I am. I'll march my band out. I'll beat my drum. And if I'm fanned, you'll turn up that side. At least I didn't fake it, had side. I guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I've simply gotta march my heart to drum and nobody, no, nobody is gonna rain on my
Congratulations, Gabby. That was amazing.
Wow.
You were feeling pretty good during that performance, right?
This is so much fun.
Yes.
Wow.
It's a lot of fun when you get the good news.
It was stressful.
And you had that wardrobe moment here. I don't know if I got it right. I think the tag is there. So,
Wow.
that's the right way. To the victory zone you go. Congratulations. Great job.
Thank you.